Okay, this video is about everybody's favorite who goes to Medellin, Colombia, Check-Mig. I know, it is still there, but there's been a little change. So let's jump into it. Follow along.
Hey, you watching, man? Right now you're watching DC Born Rob on YouTube.
Make sure you hit like and subscribe.
Okay, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever it is you're located. Thanks for watching. My name is DC Born Rob, also known as DC Rob. This is going to be a quick one. This has to do with Check-Mig. Check-Mig redid their website, or should I say their app. Okay, so I want to jump through a couple of changes and make sure you don't make the mistake that a lot of you guys have made. Check-Mig is free. Okay, it's free. It's run by the government, but some of you guys click on the wrong link and get hemmed up for $20, $30, $40, whatever it is. Check-Mig is free. So let me say that. Check-Mig is free. Check-Mig is free. Do not pay for this. Okay, I'm going to go over the link. I'm going to do it as you see. Right now I'm in photo mode so that you can actually see it from my phone. So let's jump into it right quick. Okay, so hopefully you can see my mouse, but I want you to know it's the first one. Check-Mig. Okay, the site actually says apps.check-mig. So this is the new look to it. Okay, so you'll get a different feel. So just know you're in the right spot when you see this page. Okay, you want to click on perform your Check-Mig. You go through, fill out your certain information. You know, you're traveling to Colombia because you have to do it both ways. Remember, you're doing it via air and next. And of course, it's going to ask you for your flight information. I'm not going to step through all of that, but you need to know that you need to fill out all of that. Well, you already know you need to fill out all the pertinent information before you get that email that gives you the confirmation. And that's what you need to show them at the gate. And so they're asking pretty much 50% of the time is what I'm hearing. But look, if you notice below, you have a frequent flyer option. So if you go back and forth a lot, like Louise, our group, by the way, I got this from Louise, from our group. You need to be in our group. This information pops up every day. I didn't know about it. So he pops this stuff out daily. So if you want to be on top of things, this is where you need to go. Okay, but you just fill out your email and go through this. Once you've done it, then once you sign in, it knows all your information. So, but remember, you want to choose that first option up here though. Okay, this one. Okay, perform Check-Mig. But I want you to know that from that main page, this bottom one, the first two, this is correct. But this one right here is not. It'll bring you to this site. Okay, so if you see this site and it's got the official Colombian colors and it looks all official, you have to pay for it. And it says it's only good for 25 days too, or 30 days, whatever it is. Which, you know, if you're going within a year, you can do 90 days and you can even extend it for another 90 days. That's within a calendar year though. Okay, and if you time it right and go July 1st, you can go through the rest of the year, go do 3 months, redo another 3 months, and then stay to the end. But and then start your next 6 months. Same thing again, 3 months, and then ask for an extension for an additional 3 months. So you would have been there a year straight. But I want to scroll all the way to the bottom because I want you to see this. It tells you at the bottom that they are not affiliated with it, and it tells you to use this official link. So if you don't know and you click on this link by mistake, you just got. Okay. So I'm not going to read it, but well, I don't know if I can. Okay, we are not affiliated in any way with the Colombian government. Our private agency processes online visas, applications using a signed form, a simplified form. Yeah, right. And it tells you that you can do it in a rush or whatever. But that link, when you click that link, guess where it takes you? Boom, right back to the new app. So guys, you need to know. There you go. Thank Luis for this one. Headed to Medellin, Colombia. See my guy Andres with Nomad Travel for safe airport pickups and drop-offs and tours. Contact information in the description below. If you're in Medellin and you need dental work done, from a basic cleaning to major reconstructive surgery, come see my guy, Dr. Carlos Maury. Contact information in the description below. Join me on social media. I am DC Born Rob Official on Instagram. I am DC Born Rob Official 1 on TikTok. I am DC Born Rob O on Twitter. Don't be like this guy right here.
You're just so stupid. I had to send you a video to let you know that you're so stupid.
That's right. Don't be like this guy right here. Join me on social media.
Dating in Colombia can be confusing for foreign men. Plus, dating in Colombia can be outright dangerous. With ChicaCheck, you can date with confidence by screening your date first for past issues. Visit ChicaCheck.co and create your free account today.